Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good afternoon.
Hello guys, how are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Well, on this day, I am Ayu as the moderator who will guide this discussion. The topic we will talk about the discussion text. Do you know what is discussion text?
Yes, I know.
Good, can you explain?
Discussion text is an article that presents a problem or debate. It contains elements of pros and cons. This problem will be discussed from two different points of view.
Well, you're right. What do you think, Dini?
Yes, I agree with Putri's opinions.
Okay, so the discussion text discuss a problem from two points of view, namely the pros and cons. Then, what is the social function of the discussion text?
I know social function of discussion text is to bring up a problem or issue that is ripe from isolated two point of view before arriving at a conclusion or recommendation by presenting information.
Yes, you are right. Do you all understand?
Yes.
Yes, I understand. I want to ask, how do I write a discussion text?
Good question. Can anyone answer?
I want to answer. To write a discussion text, we must follow the structure of the discussion text, starting with the title. Then in paragraph 1 contains an introduction. Paragraph 2 contains argument for the subject. In paragraph 3 contains argument against subject. And in paragraph 4 contains a conclusion.
I want to add.
Yes, please.
We said that we also have to follow the language rules of the discussion text, namely using the simple present tense, using the coordination conjunction, and using sequence word.
Okay, so do you guys understand the discussion text?
Yes, I
I understand.
Okay, next we will discuss what is concession. Do you already know?
I know concession is an explanatory clause that is used to state or indicate a conflict in which there is a relation between two or more events and usually made or used by using a conjunction.
Yes, you're right. We discuss concession also because concession is also contained in the discussion text.
Can you give example of use of conjunction express concession?
Example of conjunction to state concession is that, but, yet, and yet, although, even though, and there's more. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Well, do you all understand about concession?
Yes, I understand. Ayu, can you give us a sample discussion text?
Okay, this is an example of discussion text with the title Distance Learning.
Why do we take up this issue? Isn't this less interesting?
Yes, this issue indeed too ordinary and we might start to get bored to hearing it. But this is what we are facing now, and problem is that student interest in distance learning is decreasing. This is will certainly affect our future generation.
Then what is the cause of decline in student interest distance learning?
I think many students find it difficult to understand the material present via smartphone. This is inversely proportional if we do face-to-face learning.
Yes, that's right. Another problem is the poor internet access signal, so that we cannot attend lessons well, especially learning is done through video communication media.
Okay, so we already know two problems, namely the lesson content are not understood and the signal are bad. Do you guys feel the same way?
Yes, I also feel it. But distance learning must still be done so that the teaching and learning process can continue and that third line does not endanger the safety of all for us.
The problem is there are some students who cannot take part in the lesson because they do not have smartphone or internet package and do not have the money to buy them.
The third problem is that students do not have smartphone and internet package. Is there a solution that you can provide from these three problems?
For the problem raised by Hanif, I think almost all students have smartphone and if they don't have smartphones, they can borrow from their families or study with friends.
Do you agree with opinion of Dini?
Yes, I agree. For internet package problem happen, we got help from the government.
Yes, you're right. Even though some students have received internet package assistance, there is still only a little interest in students to take part in distance learning. I think the cause is the parents who do not supervise their children is learning.
Okay, I think the solution for the problem raised by Hanif has been answered. Then, how can students understand the material conveyed through distance learning?
I think there should be communication between student and teacher. Students must be more active in asking questions in order to understand the material and vice versa. The teacher must think of teaching methods that are fun and accessible to all students.
Then what if students still don't understand?
We can access other learning resources such as YouTube.
Well, do you all agree with opinion of Dini?
Yes, I
Yes.
agree.
Yes, I agree.
Yes, I agree. Then what about the bad signal problem?
Alright, then the problem with the bad signal. Can anyone provide a solution?
I think we can buy a pocket card with a good thread network where we live, and then we can buy internet learning packet because the price is very cheap.
I think there should also be policy from teacher to student. For example, the assignment may be collected within the network, support it, or is collected directly at school.
What do you think, Apin? Do you agree?
Yes, I agree. Thank you for the solution.
Okay, all problems have been answered. Can anyone draw any conclusion from this discussion?
The point must be mutual understanding between the teacher and students so that all the material present can be understood and assignment given can be done by the student.
Yes, that's right. In my opinion, COVID-19 is not a reason for us to stop learning. There are many solutions for the problem we face, both from government and school, all back to ourselves to keep trying and enthusiastic about learning to achieve our dreams. Working hard will lead us to success. Okay, I think that's enough for our discussion today. Hopefully what we discussed can be useful. If there is an error, please forgive. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and see you.
See you.